Okay folks, today we are going to take the pipe that it goes down to there and no water goes in. No water goes in. Water is stuck. So we got to tie in using the pipe. We take the pipe all the way down. All the way down, not that far down, it's all the way, tie it into this pipe. We also got this pipe, copper pipe, got to tie in. We got all these connectors in the big pipe, and it all gonna tie into this one. This is the one. The one next to it is the stink pipe. The stink pipe takes the stink outside. But it is okay. We just need the sink, the toilet, and the kitchen way down. We're gonna tie in the kitchen and do the poop. And just to make sure that we don't get any grease, I'm gonna use this. This, my friend, is a very poorly built, but cheap and effective. You guessed it, the trap of the grease. The grease trap, yes. Traps the grease. You see that the grease gets trapped because it says it separates oil from water. Separator. Cha-ching, ba-bing, ba-boom. I'll follow up when it's done. You'll see. I make this work. From there, down to there, all tied together using the plumbing. Yeah.